We talk of taxes and I call you friend. Well, such you are, but well enough we know how thick about us root, how rankly grow. Those subtle weeds no man has need to tend, that flourish through neglect and soon must send perfume too sweet upon us and overthrow. Our steady senses, how such matters go, we are aware and how such matters end, yet shall be told no